This is our final year PPT, and actually we have submitted our main hardware component to the department. So now we are just going to explain our PPT. So in this semester we have done project weather monitoring system using IoT, and myself Sonu Kumar and my team members are Harshit and Reddy Akshay. We have done project in this semester final year. So now we have to presentation slide. Like this flow, we will go one by one and we'll explain all the things. So move towards next slide. So first objective, our main objective is to provide provide our data and to the cloud, and that data we can access from anywhere in the world. So next slide, abstract. Abstract is our first in this project we are using Internet of Things. Internet is nothing but it's a mobile communications, and in this project we will use a lot of sensors, so many sensors that you will see next slide. So this existing system, it is nothing in this system already someone has implemented like Zigbee with the help of Zigbee and RFID. So we are going to explain not much more, but we will see a drawback only. So drawback is where we will see two different drawbacks. First is highly risky. We can't use in private information, and it can't be used after 20 meters. So next proposed system, we are using weather monitoring system with the help of IoT. So IoT is mobile-to-mobile communications, and in this data, we will store data on the cloud, and which can be accessed from any part of the world on real time. So next block diagram. In this, we will see the block diagram. We are using two node MCU, and so a lot of sensors. So we will see pressure, altitude, light sensor, rain sensor, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, dew point sensor. And here we page cloud and power supply, and also we are using OLED display. So pressure sensor, it will sense the pressure, altitude sensor, it will detect the height, light intensity, it will detect the light, rain sensor, it will detect the presence of water on the plate, temperature sensor, it will detect the atmosphere temperature, humidity sensor, it will detect the humidity, dew point sensor, it will air temperature, it will detect, and all the data will be displayed to the OLED display. And all data will be sent to the node MCU board, which will take the data and it will transfer into digital information, which will be given to the cloud. And cloud will store the data, and that we can see on the web page from any part of the world. So now we will move to next slide. So it's a component required. Already I have explained: node MCU board, temperature sensor, pressure sensor, light rain sensor, rainfall sensor, a smoke sensor, and some software components. So now we'll move to a hardware component. We are not going to explain much more, so we'll see just node MCU. What is node MCU? We are using ESP, diversity Wi-Fi module, and it is based on the Lua scripting language, and it is having 4 MB storage, flash memory, and we can supply 3.3 volt power supply we can give to node MCU. So temperature sensor, it will sense the temperature. I already explained that, and it will give to the node MCU. It is having temperature range 0 to 50 degrees Celsius with plus minus 2 degrees Celsius error, and humidity sensor its range varies from 20 to 90%. So next slide, pressure and altitude sensor. It will detect the pressure whatever I explained. Its range is 300 to 1100 H Pascal. So we can measure altitude also with the help of pressure sensor only. It will just vary opposite to the pressure sensor. Light sensor, I've already explained. It will whenever light will fall on the LDR, it will resistance of LDR will decrease, and then it will indirectly proportional to the light. So rain sensor, it will detect the water on the plate. Whenever presence of water on the plate, whenever water will be there, resistance will be low, and we will get more voltage. So indirectly we will get more rain value. Smoke sensor, it will detect the presence of the smoke. Whenever a smoke will be there, it will values go to the 1, and next time it will go to the 0. So this is our software. We are using Arduino IDE to program our node MCU board. So ThinkSpeak, this is our web server. With the help of this ThinkSpeak only, we can the data will be visible from anywhere. And this is our implementation of hardware components. See, we have here we can see the 2 node MCU board, and here this is DHT11. This is our pressure sensor. This is our rain sensor. This is our OLED display, and this is our light sensor. This is our hardware model what we have made and what we have submitted to our department. So we'll move. This is our screenshot of our software module. This is our result. What we have got from in ThinkSpeak, what we can see. So we are using like a VTU IoT, and this is a temperature sensor graph, this is a humidity sensor graph, this is our dew point sensor, LDR sensor graph, and this is rain value graph, and this is smoke sensor graph, and this is pressure sensor graph, and altitude. This both are varying just opposite to each other. So this is our main application. We can use in healthcare, automotive application, manufacturing sector, a smart metering for smart cities, environmental monitoring management, agriculture sector, IoT. We can any place we can know about weather condition. So this is our advantage. IoT weather monitoring system project using Arduino is fully automated, means no human attention. Automatic it will work. It will send the data automatically. So it can give also pre-alert system to the vehicle. So we can plan before going anywhere. We can plan whether we should go or we should not go. So this is our literature survey. With the help of literature only, we have got a lot of information, and with the help of this only, we have done a lot of things from this. So this is our reference that we have got from literature survey. Thank you.